Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is an Adobe Audition CC 2019. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop audio in the waveform of Adobe Audition. To crop audio in Adobe Audition, first select the piece of audio that you want to keep. So with the time selection tool, I'm just going to click and I'm going to drag over this piece of audio. I love helping people figure things out. So I want to keep the part I selected, I want to delete the beginning, I want to delete the end, and I just want to keep this highlighted section. So when you have the audio selected that you want to keep, you can go to the Edit menu and choose Crop, or use the keyboard shortcut Command-T. When I press Command-T, everything was deleted except that one part that was selected. I love helping people figure things out. I'm going to do Command-Z just so we can do it one more time. So with the time selection tool, click and drag a selection over the audio that you want to keep. I'm a one-man band, I'm a technology junkie. And now we're going to go to the Edit menu and choose Crop, or use the keyboard shortcut Command-T to crop, and that is going to delete this part, it's going to delete this part, and it's going to only save this part. So here we go. Edit, Crop, or Command-T, the keyboard shortcut, and now when I play that back, I'm a one-man band, I'm a technology junkie. You see, everything was deleted except that part that we had highlighted. Be aware, the editing in the waveform view is destructive. You can always undo by hitting Command-Z, but once you save the file, you are saving over the file that you are working on, so always be sure to be working on a copy of your original. Multitrack is non-destructive editing, which is why if you go to the Edit menu, you'll find that the crop is grayed out. In order to crop in the multitrack, you have to manually trim the clips to where you want to crop. My name is Mike Murphy. That is how you crop audio in Adobe Audition CC 2019. Cheers.